Hello learners, this is the final video of chapter 1, naming our earth. In this video you will get question answers, fill in the blanks and MCQs. Okay, so I will start from MCQ section. First question of MCQ says, are heavenly bodies that move around the sun? Here three options are given. Option B, planets would be the correct answer. So planets are heavenly bodies that move around the sun. Now second question, Earth is the third planet from the sun. Now outer layer of the earth is called crust. Fourth question, core is the deepest and hottest layer of the earth. So question is the deepest and hottest layer of the earth? So answer would be core. Earth has nearly dash of water. Okay, so earth has 70% of water. Now sixth question, you need to fill it up with the correct option. So are very large elevated earth surface, and the option would be correct answer would be mountains are very large elevated earth surface. Now fill in the blank section. The first question is you need to fill it up with appropriate word. So is a huge ball with plenty of water. Out of two options you have to fill the correct option. First is sun and the second one is earth. So earth is a huge ball with plenty of water. Now second question is mantle is made up of. So this is the statement, mantle is made up of dash rocks. So you need to fill this blank with the correct option. So the correct option would be hot molten rocks. Now third is earth looks because of oceans. So the option would be blue. Okay, blue because of oceans. Fourth is there are you need to fill it with the correct option. So land masses on earth called continents. So 7. There are 7 land masses on earth. All living beings need water to survive. This, so survive would be the correct option. Now is a mixture of many gases. So air is a mixture of many gases. Now coming to C section, true and false. First is planets are heavenly bodies that move around the sun. This statement is correct. Now coming to second statement, the earth has right combination of air, water, land, etc. This statement is correct too. The third statement is the earth has nearly 30% water and 70% land. This statement is not correct, it is incorrect. Okay, fourth is different landforms are found on the earth. So this statement is correct. Now coming to fifth statement, hills are raised area of land but not high and steep as mountain. This statement is correct too. Now coming to sixth question, soil is not important resources on the earth. Okay, this is incorrect. This statement is incorrect because soil is the most important resource on the earth. Okay, coming to D section, which are heavenly bodies that move around the sun. So here question answer section comes. Okay, now I have written the answers of this question on a sheet of paper, on a sheet of paper, so you can look it here. Just wait for a while. So for your convenience, I have written it and I have solved the questions on a paper sheet. Okay, so this will help you out. You need not to run here and there just to find out the answers of this question. Okay, so first question is, which are heavenly bodies that move around the sun? So planets are heavenly bodies that move around the sun. Now second question is what is the third planet from the sun? So earth is the third planet, right? Now which planet has the right combination of air, water, land, etc. So earth, the answer would be earth. 3. Fourth question, how many layers is the earth made up of? So three layers. Earth is made up of crust, mantle and core. Okay, which is the deepest and hottest layer of the earth? So the answer would be core, right? Fifth. And sixth question, the last of this D section. What is the thing we cannot see but we can feel it? So the answer would be air. Okay. Now coming to E section, what is Earth? The answer is Earth is a planet as well as a huge ball which stands third from the sun, which has plenty of water and some land masses. Okay. Now coming to question second, which are the three layers of Earth? So the answer is crust, mantle and core. Now coming to third question, how does Earth look like when seen from the space? Okay, so the answer is, just wait for a while. Okay, so Earth looks blue because of oceans, brown because of land and white because of cloud covering when seen from space. Okay, now coming to fourth question, write about different landforms of Earth. So different landforms of Earth are mountains, hills, valleys and plains. Coming to fifth question, what are the rocks made up of? So rocks are made up of different minerals. Okay, now coming to sixth question, that is the last question of this E section. Okay, the question says, in how many forms water is found on land? Okay, the answer would be water on land is found in the form of oceans, seas, ponds, lakes and rivers. Okay, so that's all for today, and we have concluded this chapter after we have gone through the question answers, and I hope you must have understood each and every section of this chapter, that is our Earth. Okay, so what I will suggest you, go through this chapter once again, since I have finished this chapter. Besides the question answers from mind, what your work is, go through all these sections, go through this chapter once again. Okay, and go through this question answers once again, read it. Okay, learn it, because that's the thing you have to do, because the thing which has to be done from mind, I had already done it. Okay, now your work starts. You have to go through this chapter once again, you have to go through the questions once again. Okay, and revise it, learn it. That's the best thing I will suggest you right now, because you have enough time in your hand. Right now you don't have to do anything because lockdown situation is going on. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope you will do your best in coming exams. Okay, and so that's all for today. Have a nice day, take care, stay in your house and stay safe.